Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing. I have never done this before. I'm just doing it for myself because this is my first ever iPhone. So I want to make sure that everything in the box is, it's in there. So I'm not gonna talk a lot because I just want to open this shit and I want to see what is my brand new iPhone looks like. So I have a box in a box. Oh, the box. So that's very nice box. Now I have to unplug this one. It's very nicely tightly packed in here, so that's good. That's what it's supposed to be look like. I choose the black one. I know. I am gonna get a holder anyway, so it's no big deal. So there's nothing else in this box. All right, bam. All right, let's open the iPhone box. All right. So this is a 128 gigabyte, beautiful iPhone. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. This is my first ever iPhone. I have never had an iPhone before. So, okay, let's open this up in here. All right, now let's not do the people do the first time when they pick up the phone and then they just drop it. The dumb fucks. Okay, what we have is all the little things in here, but this is what I am interested in right here, right beautiful here. Okay, beautiful, brand spanking beautiful new iPhone 7 Plus. Oh my god, this is my first ever iPhone. I am so happy. Cool. So and we have charger. Okay, we have the cables, and then we have this, this eye thing. I have no idea. I never liked the Apple headphones because they are, I don't know. I just can't put it in my ears. They don't stay. So I just use the Sony ones because, I don't know, I like Sony. We'll see if I can actually, to do whatever I have to do with this, I guess. If I can open it. It doesn't work that way, eh? doesn't make it that way easy. Okay. That's all. Alright. Perfect. Alright. That's it. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. I think they thought about this. Like I'm gonna use, see, this is my Sony one, so I'm using my Sony, and this is perfect. This is fucking awesome. I love this. This is what I have to use. Okay, works for me. Tiny little adapter. I don't like the adapter. I have to get better ones with my iPad. Okay, there's another cord for the charger. Perfect. Awesome. All right. Everything is in the box. I'm not gonna play with it, so that's it. This is my first iPhone. Thank you very much. You can take a look at it again. My happy face. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching.